In the first part of this decode, we explored a simple yet important idea. Luxury is not truly tested during launch, it's tested after years of real occupancy. Because over time, every luxury project begins facing pressure higher density, heavier movement, operational complexity, and overlapping daily routines. And the projects that age best are usually not the ones creating the most excitement initially, but the ones quietly preserving ease, comfort, scalability, and frictionless living over time. But aging luxury is not just about planning, it's also about maintenance, ecosystem evolution, architecture fatigue, and the invisible operational systems that determine whether luxury still feels effortless years later. And that's where this next layer begins. Some luxury features are visually impressive, but operationally difficult. The more complex a project becomes, the more maintenance intensity increases, the more resident coordination becomes necessary, and the more difficult it becomes to preserve the original luxury experience. In projects like Rajapushpa Casa Luxura, the long term conversation becomes less about launch excitement and more about how sustainably the project can preserve its premium identity over years of occupancy. Most luxury buyers evaluate the project itself. Very few evaluate the future behavior of the entire ecosystem around it. Today, Neopolis still feels spacious, but luxury districts evolve differently once schools increase, office ecosystems mature, retail density expands, and thousands of additional residents begin overlapping your daily routines. The projects that age better are usually the ones that are planned not just for launch traffic but for future behavioral load, meaning how vehicles enter, how deliveries move, how visitors are absorbed, and whether internal circulation still feels manageable years later. One of the biggest differences between timeless luxury and trend driven luxury is how architecture behaves after excitement fades. Timeless luxury tends to rely on proportion, restraint, material quality, and architectural confidence. Trend driven luxury often depends on constant visual stimulation, and while that creates immediate excitement, it doesn't always age gracefully. The final layer of aging luxury is movement friction. Because eventually, luxury stops being about architecture and starts becoming about everyday experience. The most successful luxury communities often don't feel luxurious because of dramatic features. They feel luxurious because nothing feels difficult. Movement feels intuitive, access feels smooth, noise feels controlled, transitions feel effortless. And over time, that invisible ease becomes more valuable than visual excitement. Some luxury projects are designed to maximize excitement, others are designed to preserve ease. And over the next decade in Neopolis, that distinction may become increasingly visible. Luxury slowly weakens when friction becomes repetitive, not dramatically, quietly. A few extra minutes here, a little more crowding there, slightly more waiting every day, and eventually the emotional experience changes. Some luxury projects are designed to maximize excitement, others are designed to preserve ease. And over the next decade in Neopolis, that distinction may become increasingly visible. And this is why different luxury projects may age differently over time. Not necessarily because one project is good and the other is bad, but because each project makes different trade offs between density and exclusivity, excitement and sustainability, ambition and operational simplicity, visual identity and timeless restraint. The projects that age best are usually not the ones creating the most excitement on launch day. They are the ones quietly preserving comfort year after year, even after the novelty disappears. Because real luxury is not the feeling of possession day, it's the feeling residents continue experiencing 5 years later, 8 years later, even after daily life becomes routine. And in rapidly growing luxury districts like Neopolis, the projects that preserve ease, clarity, comfort, and frictionless living may ultimately become the projects that age the best. So, the next time you evaluate a luxury project, don't just ask how impressive it looks, how large the clubhouse is, or how exciting the launch feels. Also ask How will this experience behave after years of real life? Because future luxury may not belong to the loudest projects, but to the ones that continue feeling effortless over time. This is not just about buying luxury, it's about understanding how luxury behaves after people begin living inside it. Subscribe to Get a Decode for deeper real estate intelligence beyond launch day marketing.